How does it feel that you are accepted by the public now?
Saka po, it's very heartwarming po. Nakakataba po ng puso because yung goal po namin is to educate people, to
Yeah.
raise awareness, to
Yeah.
share factual information. And parang added validation po yun on our end that we made it. We did a great job
Yes.
in teaching the people, in sharing factual information. Kaya nakakataba po talaga ng puso, especially on my end po. Like, for example, may mga teachers and students na nagko-comment na sa akin lang daw
Oo.
natutunan yung mga information na
Maraming
to,
ganyan. Yeah.
sa akin lang daw nila naintindihan, or mga teachers na nag-a-ask ng permission to use
Oo,
my
pinapalaman
materials
natin.
para gamitin nila yun as a learning material sa school. So, it is really, really heartwarming po na makita na may value po pala talaga yung mga information na pinuput namin online. Because, all of us po may isang goal lang po talaga, like, para
Oo,
mag-share ng
oo.
information, magturo, mag-share ng factual information, sugpuin ng fake news and all that po.